south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County, in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County, in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mechanicsburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Mountjoy, and Palmyra. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2253, Interstate 81, between mile markers 48 and 64, and from mile markers 66 to 74. Interstate 83, from mile markers 28 to 50. Interstate 283, mile markers 0 to 2. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.